All right, so you're finally in the basement with your client and you walk up to the water heater and it looks like this. What do? Well, you let them know it's probably at the end of its useful life. We see water heaters like this often, and it's just important to let our clients know, listen, these things usually only last 10 to 15 years anyway. They usually cost anywhere from $600 to $1,000. You're probably gonna pay that for labor also to take the old one out and put the new one in. But it's that little mental house fire that you can put out and just be honest about what it is. Whether you can use that information to negotiate or not is another thing, but we want to let our clients know that 10 to 15 years is a typical lifespan of a water heater. When you walk up to one like this and you see some scorching above what's called the TPR, or the temperature pressure relief valve, sometimes when you see a little bit of dark above it, that means that the water heater is or has at some point really overheated or got a lot of pressure inside. And that temperature pressure relief valve will get so hot that it'll eventually open up and release that hot temperatured, high pressured water. That's its job. We wouldn't want that thing to explode. But when you see it starting to get a little scorched like that, just know regular home maintenance for a water heater is to empty it and fill it back up. Who knew? Want to know the age of the water heater as you're standing in front of it with your client? Look at the serial number. It's the first 4 digits. It'll often tell you the week and the year of manufacturer. This one's cheating because it literally says the manufacture date is May of 2019. But just know that the first 4 digits could make you feel confident about telling your client how old the water heater is. And then you can remind them, listen, water heaters typically only last 10 to 15 years. Mine's a 1994 and it's still kicking. So we just tiptoe by it and don't look it in the eye. We just hope it lasts a little bit longer. But it is what it is, and now you've got a little verbiage around the age of a water heater, what it looks like, how long it usually lasts, to put out any mental fire in your client's mind before it begins. Learn more about water heaters, manufacture dates, and the condition of these things in our classes. We offer continuing education courses for realtors for free. Through Elevate Michigan, there's no charge for us to come into your office or with your group of agents that are sitting down in Metro Detroit and want to learn a few things and get those credits in before the end of the year. Just give us a call and schedule your continuing education course today.